Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to place order on Fiverr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the search bar and here you're gonna find notifications, messages, lists, and orders. So basically, guys, right here you're gonna find the um, active orders that you have. Right here you're gonna find switch to selling if you have a seller account, and right here you're gonna find your profile picture. If you click on it, from here you can go to your profile, go to your dashboard. You can post a request, refer a friend, go to settings, billing, and payment. You can change the language, the currency, and lastly there is the help and support. So basically, guys, if you want to place an order, you need to search for the service that you want. So just go to the search bar and you can search for anything that you want. For example, I'm gonna search for logo design, and then as you can see, guys, right here, these are the results. So you can choose from this list of results any service that you like. So, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Go ahead and click on it, and then you'll be taken to the page of the service. So from here, you can see images. You can find some examples of the logo, for example. Right here, you're gonna find the offers. So as you can see, guys, there is three offers: the basic one, the standard one, and the premium one. And as you can see, guys, this is what comes with every offer. So once you choose your offer, go ahead and click on continue and then continue. And right here, you need to write your payment informations. And lastly, confirm and pay to pay your order. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.